We're going to connect two edges of fabric with beautiful stitches and beads, creating a stunning decorative gap. You'll need two pieces of fabric that you want to connect. I'm using this lovely peach fabric today. Now I'm pinning both folded edges onto a larger piece of fabric, or even directly onto your garment if it's already cut. I'm leaving a gap of about 1 centimeter between the two folded edges. To get 5 strands, I simply separate one strand from the typical 6-strand embroidery floss skein. Bring your needle up through the left folded edge. Then take a straight stitch across the gap and insert your needle down into the right folded edge. So now we have 2 foundation parallel stitches spanning the gap. Now comes the intricate part, weaving our detached buttonhole bar stitches over these 2 parallel foundation stitches. We'll continue making these buttonhole bar stitches, working over both parallel threads, creating a dense corded texture that really builds up over our foundation. It's time to add a bead. Thread one of your 8mm beads onto your needle. Now we'll repeat the entire process. Stitch 2 new parallel foundation stitches across the gap. Then weave over them with detached buttonhole bar stitches and add another bead. We'll continue this pattern all the way up the length of our fabric gap. Experiment with different sizes and types of beads for varied effects. Watch how I continue with a new floss length when mine gets short. It's a seamless way to keep your work continuous. The combination of stitches and beads creates such a rich and beautiful texture. It's amazing how this simple technique can transform a plain edge. This bridging technique is incredibly versatile. You can use it to join the sleeves to the bodice of a dress, create a unique neckline, or add decorative gaps in panels of a skirt. Imagine it on the shoulders of a blouse or along the hem of a special garment. You can even apply this to a torn piece of clothing for a stylish mend, or use it to decorate the edges of a tablecloth or curtain.